Hey guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the high CPU usage for your Brave browser really quickly and with very little effort and with no technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So launch the Brave browser, be it on your laptop or your desktop computer. And basically guys, there are three different approaches how you can fix the high CPU usage in Brave browser and then overall improve your Brave browser's performance. So what you want to do first guys is clear the cache for your Brave browser. I assume most users don't do that too frequently, but clearing your cache, no matter which web browser you use, may have a positive impact on your browser's performance. So to do that, simply click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and what you want to do after that is select delete browsing data or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Delete. That is going to redirect you to that window here. So what you want to do guys is select time range. I would suggest you go with all time browsing data. Of course you can narrow down your search and delete only the browsing data from the last 24 hours, the last week or the last month. So to gain the best result, simply select all time and make sure that cached images and files here is selected to clear your cache. As you can see, currently there are more than 350 MB of cached files stored here in my Brave browser. So to do that, simply click on delete data and that already should improve your browser's performance. What you can do also guys is delete or remove any extension you don't need here in Brave browser, because these extensions might slow down your browser. So to do that, click on these three horizontal lines again in the top right corner, hover your mouse over extensions and then click on manage extensions here and simply go through that list of all installed extensions and simply click on remove to remove the ones you don't need anymore, or you can also simply turn them off here to the right by moving that switch. And then the last step guys, what I would also suggest you do to fix this issue for good is to head over to your browser settings. So again, click on these three horizontal lines here, head over to settings here at the bottom. Here guys, inside your browser settings, take a look at your panel to the left and head over to the system settings here at the bottom. And all you need to do guys is turn off these two features here. Use graphics/hardware acceleration when available. So I'll turn it off here to the right, as well as the upper one, continue running background apps when Brave is closed. So if you turn off these two, this should significantly improve your browser's performance and fix the issue with the high CPU usage. And that's basically it guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.